Am I the only one that didn't know you could walk through an actual Viking settlement in Ireland? Stick around, you'll love this. Welcome to Waterford, Ireland's oldest city founded by Viking raiders in 914 AD. Dive deep into history with the Waterford Viking Triangle guided tour. Imagine standing next to Reginald's Tower, a fortress that's been watching over the city for over 1,000 years. Wander through the Viking Triangle, a historic district oozing with Scandinavian charm. You'll see ancient artifacts at the Waterford Treasures Museums, including the medieval museum packed with relics from days gone by. But it's not just about old stones and tales. The tour brings history to life with enthusiastic guides who make you feel like you're right there in the Viking era. From shipbuilding to medieval turmoil, you'll get the full scoop on how Waterford evolved through the ages. And hey, don't miss out on the Viking-themed gift shops or the cozy cafes perfect for a post-tour snack. Ready to step back in time? Hit the link in the description to book your tour now. See you in Waterford.